In the world of birds, few sights are as breathtaking as this moment. As the peacock slowly opens its magnificent feathers, nature reveals one of its most stunning masterpieces. Hundreds of shimmering feathers rise into a perfect fan, each one decorated with dazzling eye-like patterns. The colors glow with deep blues, emerald greens, and golden highlights, sparkling with every movement. This extraordinary display is not just beauty, it is a powerful signal used to attract attention and admiration. The feathers gently tremble, creating a hypnotic dance that captivates anyone lucky enough to witness it. Every feather works together like a living painting, forming one of the most elegant displays in the animal kingdom. The Indian peafowl has amazed people for centuries with this natural performance. In this quiet moment, the peacock reminds us that nature's beauty can be both powerful and unforgettable. Hit the subscription button and like the video.